Hello everyone and welcome to Future Funded. This channel is all about helping you build financial freedom faster through smarter saving, better money habits, simple strategies that anyone can follow. Whether your goal is early retirement, passive income, or just control over your finances, you are at the right place. So let's get started.
If everything was taken away tomorrow, no money, no savings, no investments, no backup, where would you start? Most people don't have a clear answer to that question. Because when you remove everything, you're left with uncertainty. And uncertainty creates hesitation. Some people would try to save immediately. Some would think about investing. Some would look for shortcuts. But here's the truth, none of that comes first. If I had to start from zero again, the first thing I would focus on is not money. It's the ability to earn money. Because without income, everything else is irrelevant. You can't save what you don't earn. You can't invest what you don't have. So the real starting point is building income. And the fastest way to build income is through skills. Not random skills. Not things that sound impressive. But skills that people are already paying for. Now this is where most people make their first mistake. They overthink this step. They spend weeks, sometimes months, trying to figure out the perfect skill. But perfection is not the goal. Action is. Because the market doesn't reward perfection. It rewards value. So instead of searching endlessly, I would pick one practical skill. Something that solves a real problem. Something that can be learned and applied quickly. And I would commit to it fully. Learning it every day. Practicing it every day. Applying it as soon as possible. Because the goal is not to become an expert first. The goal is to become useful. Once you become useful, you start creating opportunities. Now here's what happens next. At the beginning, you might not earn much. Maybe your first income is small. $50, $100, $200. And that's where most people lose motivation. Because they compare those small results to their expectations. But that's the wrong comparison. The right comparison is this: you went from zero to something. And that something is proof. Proof that you can create income. And once you have that proof, everything changes. Because now you're not guessing anymore. You're building. Now the next step is growth. You take that same skill, and you improve it. You refine your process. You increase your value. And slowly, your income increases. Not instantly. But steadily. Now here's where things become important. As your income grows, you have to avoid a very common trap. Spending everything you earn. Because if you do that, you'll stay in the same cycle. More income, more expenses, no progress. So the next step is control. You start saving a portion of your income. Even if it's small at first. Because saving creates stability. It gives you breathing room. It protects you from unexpected situations. And more importantly, it prepares you for the next step. Investing. Now this is where many people rush. They hear about investing and jump in too quickly. But investing only works when it's supported by consistency. So instead of chasing quick gains, I would focus on simple, steady investing. Index funds. Long-term strategies. Because the goal is not fast money. The goal is building a system. A system where income flows in, a portion is saved, and a portion is invested. Now here's the powerful part. Over time, your investments start generating returns. And those returns start generating more returns. That's compounding. And this is where wealth is actually built. But it only works if you stay consistent. Because the biggest mistake people make is stopping. They start strong, then lose focus. They get distracted. They chase something new. And they never give anything enough time to grow. So if I had to start from zero, I would focus on one thing above everything else. Consistency. Because consistency turns small actions into big results. Now imagine this over time. You build a skill. That skill creates income. That income creates savings. Those savings turn into investments. Those investments grow into wealth. That's the process. It's not complicated. But it requires discipline. And if you follow it, step by step, it works. Not instantly, but predictably. And in the long run, predictable progress always beats random success.
If you found this helpful, consider following Future Funded for more simple, practical, and grow your money and build financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, small smart decisions today can make a powerful future.